In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Discord on your PC. So first, let's go to a web browser and then type in Discord download. Be sure to click the link from discord.com. And then from this window, you could click on download for Windows. Just wait for the download to complete. And when the download is done, you could double click on the exe file. And then you could now see that Discord is starting to install itself on this PC. And once it's finished installing, you're taken to this login page. So if you don't have a Discord account, just click on register and it'll take you to the process. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and that will log you into Discord. And that is how you download Discord on PC. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.